Hello guys, welcome back. So in previous videos, we were using primitives like string and number variables in our app component. Like for example, I used my text which is of string type and had assigned some value to it like hello, or my number which is of number type. I had assigned it to some number, etc. Or some arrays I used to store objects and all. So instead of primitive values, what I do, I want to create a separate model class which will have all the details of this, a fruit. So I create a separate file called fruit.model.ts. It's nothing but a class file, class fruit, and it has some properties: name, color, and price. Name is of string type, color is of string type, price is of number type. And I export it so that I can use it in other TS file. I can import it in other file like app component TS. Here you see I've imported fruit. Okay, so and I have used it with my property of app component. Okay, uh, and then why I'm using exclamation mark, like for example I'll show you why I have used, even in fruit I have used exclamation mark. Why? Because I'm not initializing it initially. So if you are not initializing any value to it, then you have to use this exclamation mark. For example, if I am initializing some value to name, say mango, you can see there is no error, right? Because I'm directly initializing this value. So I'm not, it is not necessary that I use exclamation mark. But if I don't initialize, what happens? You get an error saying property name has no initializer and is not definitely assigned the constructor. So it says basically you have not initialized any value. It may be for this also, number or whatever. So what I do, I just add exclamation. So now it you can use these variables and you can initialize it in the later stage. Okay, so this is all about how you create model class and how you initialize it. So we'll see how we can create an object of this fruit class in the coming videos. Thank you.